Alright, so here we go. I'm going to show how to link and embed videos off of YouTube. I'll also show the upload function. It doesn't work as well. I don't know if it's been fixed, so we'll try and see what happens. Anyway, you want to create a new post, and from your forum menu you can either post a new topic, or from any of your forum lists you can go to the Post New Topic button. You'll want to select your forum. I'm going to put this in support just because I'm not going to post this one up as it is. We'll give it a title, Cool Train Video. And in this post editor box, there's a little button up here by the happy face. It looks like a film strip, and this is your Insert, Edit, Embed Media button. So when you click it, it opens up this window, and what it's waiting for is it's waiting for the URL that you've got stored on YouTube. So you click, I've got my YouTube already open up in a new tab, so we're going to go there, and I have a video open that I can post. And in YouTube you want to come down to the share button. When you click on the share button, you're going to get this drop down, and we're just going to do the easy one, and that is this link here. If it's highlighted blue, you can copy it, then go back to the forum and paste that right in here. Once you do that, click anywhere on the preview menu and your video will show up. It automatically, if you didn't notice, it switched it from Flash to iframe, and you have a lot of different options. If it's coming off YouTube, it's going to do its own thing, but I think probably iframe and HTML5 you'll be able to see it, but at least on my browser and on my computer it's automatically flipping over to the correct settings. So once I hit insert, it shows a bounding box, or where this video is going to be represented in my post. Some of the things that you want to do here is that maybe you want some to type above it, and you can see the cursors down here. If I use just one of the arrow key on my keyboard, arrow to the left, it'll take me to the front of that video box, and if I hit the return key or the enter key, I can add a space up top. So, and then I can add more if I need them, and then I can type whatever I want. I was having trouble with the link the other day, and so what I wanted to do is just put the raw HTML code in because I just could not get the videos to work properly. So what you do is you go up here to this HTML source, and this turns your whole post into a source. And without getting into too much detail, I'm going to want this video near the end. So at the end of all this code, I'm just going to put my cursor, then I'm going to go back up to my video, and I'm going to click on the embed button. Now this is going to create a code in here. If you see in the corner this little thing, you can open this up, and sometimes if the code is longer, this is helpful so you can see it. We are going to use this bottom button here where it says use old embed code. Now what's interesting is I know that I've got about close to 700 pixels width, so if I want to make this video a little bit larger for the forum, if I click this 640 by 360, now it automatically updates the code, and you can see up here 640 height 360. So now my video can be actually a little bit bigger. And if I didn't like that, I could come down and pop in my own custom width and height for the video, and it would automatically update the code in here. The only thing that I would caution you over updating your width and height is that you could end up with big black margins around your video if you don't get your width and height at the correct ratio. So anyway, I've got this, it's highlighted blue. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to my post, and at the very end I'm going to paste that code. When I hit update, you can see that my new video is in there, and you can see that my video is coming in larger than the linked video. And also, what you could notice right away is that I'm getting this 16:9 ratio format for my video instead of this box. This is a 4:3 ratio. So if you're shooting high def video already and hosting high def video, you're not getting everything jammed into this 4:3 box. It's a lot more natural. So we're going to post this, and I better put up here. This is a test for my new tutorial recording video now. So if someone sees that in the forum go up, at least they know what I'm doing. So we're going to post this. And as you come down, you can see now that I'm getting a different size video in this box. If you want to get an idea, this is Firefox on an Apple, how many pixels width I've got across here. I've actually got some software where we can measure it out right now. See, I'm over 700 to this side. So I've got close to 900 pixels. I could make that video a little bit bigger if I wanted to, but this is going to be just fine the way it is. Okay, so then the next thing you want to learn how to do is we're going to create a new post, and we're going to do a video upload. Okay, so you're going to come in and you're going to click this upload attachments, folders, etc. Once it opens up its little dialog box, it gives you the option to upload files. Don't panic, I'm on an Apple. Just navigate to the folder on your hard drive that's got your movies. So mine is in my folder down here, and mine are under completed videos. And so here is my layout update. This is what I call version 2. If you notice, it's only 21.4 megabytes, and my original upload was 124. I went in and tweaked settings which did not compromise the quality, but brought the file size down dramatically. If you're using iMovie and you want to know those settings, just shoot me a message and I'll tell you how to do it. So we click on the movie, tell it to open, and now you can see that this 20 megabyte file is uploading. I won't bore you, and I'll skip this part of the tape so we don't have to watch it upload. Okay, so it's uploaded and now it's processing, and it says successful. We're going to insert the video into the post, large size, and we're going to hit finished. So there it goes. The placeholder for the video is there. We're going to go back to the support forum, tech support, one of these. Then we're going to put in cool. We'll put tutorial. So people wonder why the heck why I keep doing this all day. So anyway, we're going to add some space in there. Remember, that cursor is going to be down here. If you hit the left arrow and then you hit your return or enter key, that'll give you a space up here that you can click into, and then you can add some more spaces. New tutor. I just typed this little message up here because I've been posting these in so people could see what they look like, especially since on the Apple side it shows this flash placeholder. I have not done this on a Windows machine, so I don't know if it does the same thing. Also, the interesting thing, if you click on this, the bounding box shows up again. You have access into the size where it's stored. You can look at the source. Well, it won't show the source code. I thought it would. And we'll hit the cancel button. So at least we've got an idea what it is. And then once I hit post, and it also shows this little video picture down here. So then when I hit post, it's going to show the little video box here, and when I click on the arrow, it's going to buffer and it's going to play. What's interesting is that the way this imports in, it gives a this buffer here because of the box size. We could probably get rid of some of this buffer by tweaking it, so we're going to go into a little edit function. This is for the advanced people. And we'll click on the bounding box. We'll hit the little movie strip button. Then we're going to unconstrain the proportions. So remember, we got a buffer on the top and the bottom, not on the width. So let's move this down to 350. And then when we hit insert, it'll change the size. And then when we hit post, we'll see if I broke it. Yeah, so essentially there you can see that I broke the video. The other thing, I don't know how long that thing will stay up. The last couple of times I put videos up, they disappeared, and they've kind of gone into oblivion. But they will show up, and if I did get a chance to do that edit, you would have seen it. And you can see how I changed that just by changing those, unclicking the constrain. By unclicking this button, I was able to change the height. It's always width followed by height. So that's how you deal with videos. If you have videos stored on other sites like Vidler, Vimeo, and some of those others, you can probably take the link and post them straight in here. I haven't tried it, but I can't imagine that it wouldn't work. But in the long run, YouTube ends up being probably the best place to host these videos. They do get a lot of viewership if you upload them and title and put in a good description of what it is. There's a lot of train nuts around the country that like to watch the videos, so you're probably better off putting them on YouTube. It's a much more stable platform, and more people are going to find it. So that's it, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial.